Hey friends, so I'm up here on the ladder because, well, I am vertically challenged. Yeah. I'm trying to work as fast as possible because there is rain coming for the rest of today. And I want to get these posts in so that later on this afternoon, if we get a break in the rain between my husband, myself, and my son, we might be able to get these trellises up and running. Let's get to work. It is absolutely still summer. Like, no joke. Yep. I don't play. I know they talk about like safe bug repellents and things of that nature. This is South Florida. Yeah, we don't play. Yeah, I know. It's strong. Okay. So, my friends, how's it going? I still have the hog panels behind me. It's been a couple days. Should it have been taken care of? Yeah, totally. But it's been a crazy couple days. Anything that could go wrong did go wrong. So we're making do with what we got. I'm going to start some pepper seeds in the meantime. We need pepper plants. Yup. So I'm looking around. What am I going to plant? What do we got going on? All right. So I have these three here. I have the California Wonder sweet pepper, big red sweet pepper, and then long pepper blends. I love these long peppers. I really do. But I saved this jalapeno from the store because it was so good. I bought them to make toppers, and the jalapenos themselves had such a great flavor that I said, you know what? I'm keeping one. We're gonna let it ripen, and then I'm gonna take the seeds from that, and I'm gonna plant them, and hopefully I can generate some peppers from that. But I was able to get all of my tomato trees into one garden bed, and they have plenty of space, and they're happy, they're thriving. I have, and the entire front trough is available for trees, and I figured I'm gonna plant peppers in there. So I want to do a few plants, and then I will also have space next to the cucumbers for more pepper trees, not to mention these here. So I'm gonna have enough room for peppers. And what kind am I planting? So I'm thinking I'll do 3 of these long pepper blend plants because I love these. They're delicious. Do I want big red peppers or the sweet pepper? California Wonder or what? Let me see the difference here. If there's any like real difference. No, I think they're the same thing. We're gonna go with the California Wonder. Why not? And then, of course, I'm gonna start my jalapeno seeds. Let me see, is there anything else that I'm gonna start? So we'll do 3 and 3 and 3. Yeah, seems legit. Okay, and then we'll get into flowers at another moment. Let me get my seed starting tray. Oh no. Oh well, it's fine. Crazier shit has happened. All right. So this poor seed tray that won't quit. I'm gonna have a seat, trying to enjoy the outdoors. It's still warm. We're in the 80s, but it has come down from the 90s. So progress is progress, and we appreciate it. Let me get on, my hands are dirty, but I'm gonna put on some gloves because I don't wanna handle the jalapeno without gloves. And once I start, you know me. Wait a minute, come on now. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like I have done in the past. You guys have seen me do it a few times. Fill this up with some seed starting soil. Miracle-Gro. It has treated me very, very well. So I have nothing negative to say about it. This last go around was great. I have purchased other brands and I try to do things. I know like, oh, you can order it or get, I try to do things from the big box stores to show that anybody can do this. Anyone can grow. We are all capable of self-sufficiency. All right, beautiful. Here we go. So let's start with the California Wonder. These will take how long to germinate? 10 to 21 days, so they take a while. Three plants? Should I do 3 plants? Seems okay. Seems like plenty. I'll do 4. It's good luck. I don't know if it's good luck or not. I'm just saying that. Okay. So these first ones are the Sweet Pepper California Wonder variety. And I'm definitely going to do 4 of these long peppers. These also take 10 to 21 days. There we go. Cover that up. Very good. And then now I'm going to just open up for the jalapeno. And I'm being a little cautious with it because this jalapeno was quite spicy. I won't lie. And I'm not trying to be like cute or anything like that. They really were spicy. Look at those seeds. They're beautiful. So we're just going to pick a few and drop them in there. I know some people dehydrate. Oh, no, ma'am. You are in the wrong hole. There we go. That's better. And then last one right here. Perfect. That's 4 jalapeno. seeds. And then over here, I'll just plant some flowers of some sort. Which kind, I'm not sure, but I need flowers in the garden. They can't, the bees gotta come looking for something. So let's see what we have. I have cosmos and zinnias and more zinnias and more cosmos. Ooh, calendula. I have, what is this? Chamomile. Ooh, chamomile. Let's plant some chamomile. I think it's beautiful. I've never been able to grow the chamomile. Oh my God, this is so tiny. Okay. Girl. Okay, I did 2 of chamomile. Okay, we're gonna do the giant flowered mixed color zinnia. I like zinnias. I think they're beautiful. Oh, you know what I'm supposed to be starting is marigolds. And I haven't started those yet, and I really need to. Let me see if I have marigold seeds. If not, then I will have to just sacrifice and go to the store to look for marigold plants. Gosh, the things I do for the garden. Oh my goodness. Oh, are you a marigold? You are a marigold. Hey, found the marigold. Oh, there's another marigold here. And then this is, what is this? This is a sunflower. All right, I think we're good. 2 kinds of marigolds. I'm gonna put those into the actual little pots. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get 4 of these little pots of marigold. I think I should be able to. Let's see why not. I'm gonna do 2 of the Red Night and 2 of the Happy Days marigolds. Now, if you have never planted marigolds with your tomatoes, you are missing out. When I have the marigolds near the tomatoes, I don't have to worry about pests. It's like they protect them. So now I always, always, always plant marigolds with my tomatoes. And the tomatoes started, I'm a little late with the marigolds. I just keep forgetting. It's been crazy. These are seeds I've never had trouble with germination, the marigolds. Not once have they given me a hard time. Oh, this is all I have left of these Red Night. It's not a lot, but we'll make do. There we go. Perfect. What? I still have soil to plant more stuff. I'm just not sure what to plant yet, so I'll figure it out. Okay, let me get these to water. Okay, friends, so any progress is better than no progress, right? Brex hates motorcycles. Anyways, um, at least we got something done. The weather has finally cleared up. The days are beautiful. It is not as hot as it usually is. So we have to be super grateful for that, right? Later on, when George gets home, we're gonna cut our hog panels and put them in place. I can do it on my own, but why struggle when I have someone that can help me? I mean, honestly. Um, so I'm really excited about that. I got some seeds in that needed to go in. We're making progress on the garden, little by little. So thank you again for joining me. I really appreciate you guys. I know this was a short video, but that's cool. Baby steps, we're getting there. On the next one, we'll see what those hog panels are gonna look like once they're installed. And the cucumbers will go in with their own hog panel trellis. And what else? Hopefully we're doing more stuff. We're definitely doing more stuff. There's a long list of things to do. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you, and I will catch you guys on the next one.